In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to clear RAM cache memory on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Let's get started. Right click on taskbar, click on task manager, then click on performance on left pane, click on memory, and look, the cache size in memory is 1.1 GB. That is very much higher in size. Now I'm going to show you how to remove this cache from your RAM. Now go to your browser, insert type RAM map, click on RAM map, and the first link is RAM map version 1.61. The tool is provided by Microsoft, so it's 100% safe. Click on this link. Now click on download RAM map. RAM map is downloaded. Open in folder. Right click on RAM map zip folder. Click on extract all. This is the extract location. If you want, you can change the location. I am not going to change. Now click on extract. Extraction finished. Go to RAM map folder. You will find here 3 applications file. You have to choose the higher size one. This one is 662 KB. This is the highest size. I'm going to run this tool. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. User account control prompt. Click on yes. Minimize the file explorer. Close browser. RAM map license agreement. Click on agree. RAM map utility has been opened. Now I'm going to open the task manager and look here. It's still the cache size is 1.1 GB. Go to the RAM map tool. Click on empty and then click on empty standby list. And look, the RAM size has been reduced to 55 MB. Whenever you find your RAM cache is full, you will open the tool and very simple step, click on empty and then click on empty standby list, and it will reduce or it will clear the RAM cache memory on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.